How to scan your computer for common malware in Windows 11. We're gonna use tool from Windows. It's called MRT or the Malicious Software Removal Tool. So in this video, I will show you how to open and use it. So in your desktop here, you can type or you can enter your keyboard Windows plus R, and then it will pop out like this. And then you can just type MRT and click OK. And then you can just click next and then next again. And then you can choose for quick scan, full scan, or customize. I'm gonna choose quick scan, and then you can just click next, and then it will start to scan. We can wait until it's done. And it's done, guys. It took me like 2 hours to scan all of my files in my computer, and there is no malware here. And then you can just click finish. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to join our membership. Thank you.